Okay, this is Professor Snehana Gaukar here. Hello everyone. So it is very nice to interact with you after so many days. Hope you all are doing good and you all are safe at home. So finally the day has come for which you were waiting from a long time. So finally you need to give the exams and do good, and I really wish you all the best for that. Okay. So we all know that we have done some lab programs on web, and in journal you may see that some changes might be there. Okay, so you can refer the programs which I have personally explained to you in the lab and which you have written in your lab book. As well, you can go through the journal. Yeah? Some changes with the examples might be there in the journal, not 100% change, only 1% of change when it comes to examples and all. Hopefully you will understand that, right? So being finally a student, I think it is quite easy for you to grab with those changes, right? So this is all about the index. So we have got 13 programs. So a few programs are there on database connectivity. So that is 9th and 13th one. Okay, so these two programs I may explain you at the end. Okay, so now daily I'll be updating you some videos, right? So that we could easily revise it, right? Yeah, so coming to the first code, what we have to do is we have to create a frame, right? So we have to create a frame, and in that frame we have to create one menu, right? So in that frame we need to create one menu. So once when you create that menu, and when you click on that menu, okay, you get so many files over there, and those files are opened in the another frame, right? So this is the part of code. Okay, so so this is the program which I think we did. Okay, so we practiced in the lab, right? So when this program comes, you just first create one folder. After creating a folder, just in this program number one folder, you can just go and create these files, right? Then what are the things that you need to do? So you have to create these many files. That is, first create an ordered list file. Okay, so when you execute this ordered list file, you will get to know that there is a utilization of table tag also. So you can see that we have also utilized a table tag. We have created 3 columns. Okay, and we have also made use of list, that is ordered list 1 2 3, which comes by default. This is an ordered list. Okay, this is another pattern of the ordered list. Okay, so first create this file, right? And then afterwards you need to go for another file, that is unordered list. Okay, so in unordered list you can see that different bullets are obtained here, which are a part of the unordered list. Okay, so first you go there and create these 2 files. Okay, so after creation of these files you go for creation of main, right? So when you create a main, right? So when you create main, so this is the message which is displayed in the main frame, right? Suppose we have, like suppose this is our web page, right? And the page will be divided in this format, right? So this is the first and this is the second one. All right, so here you are going to display all menus. Okay, so here you are going to display menu, right? And in this frame, right, so it is your main frame, right? So here you will see that there is a main frame, right? So coming back to here, you will get a list. Okay, so you will get a list, right? So what is that list? You will get a list here. Okay, so that list is nothing but what you will receive ordered list, unordered list, whatever files which you have created. So this is the program which is being practiced in the lab. Okay, so in journal some links are created using channels, that is Microsoft, Google and all. Please go through that. Okay, so you can practice anyone which you feel easy, right? So coming back to the next. Okay, so this is a main.html. all right. Okay, so after this there is a file called as menu.html. okay, so in menu.html you can see that 2 lists are added. One is ordered list, another is unordered list. Okay, so when I go for source code of this, you can see that how the code is written for menu.list. Okay, So we have a body color, okay, yellow, then we have a blue, a reference, okay, that is FWP3 program number 1 ordered list dot HTML. So the data is placed in the folder F, okay. So data is placed in the folder F. So once when you create the menu, okay, and there in menu.html you are giving two links. One is ordered list, okay, and another is what, unordered list, okay. So what is this target? So target is nothing but what, once when you click that link, right, so after clicking that link your data will be displayed in the main page. So once when you click that, the data will be displayed in the main page. All right, okay. So this is menu.html, okay. So guys, as you can see that I have stored the data in E drive, okay. So see, this is my path. All right, so this is my path. So just remember about the path. So what data you're going to give here, so that is very important when you execute the program, right. So wherein if you see in this code, right, when if you see in this code, what is the path? FWP3, okay. So quickly let me change the path of this folder so that I could execute all your programs. So I will immediately take it and place it in F, okay, yeah, so that I could easily run all the code, right. So yeah, okay. So when I done it, I'm done. So I'll go to program number 1. So menu is done, main is done. We are done with ordered list, unordered list, and what about target frames? Okay. So this is the target frame. So finally we get this file. So when I click on ordered list, I will get the code displayed here. When I go on unordered list, okay. So you can see that it may be moved or deleted, right? So it may be due to path, right? So let me check this. Yeah, it is running correctly. So program number 1, okay, ulist.html. So let us go back to the code which is all about target frames, okay. So there should be some error here, that is menu.html menu page, okay. So when I click the menu, name of that is menu, okay, main.html, that goes to the main.html. all right, okay. So let me check, okay, what is going on here, and we'll execute it back. Okay, all right. See, there's an error over here. As we have changed the path, right? So we have to just copy the path correctly. Okay, all right. So I'm just saving this file, and then let me check it. Okay, all right. See, this was the error. So we just placed this path correctly, and after placing the path correctly, okay, so we did the changes in the target frames.html file, and this file is menu.html, okay. So this file is menu.html, this is main.html, and the entire file, okay, is target, okay. You can see here that is target frames.html. all right, okay. So once when I run this file, right, so once when I click on ordered list, the ordered list is displayed, and when I go to unordered list, the unordered list is displayed. all right, okay. So you can go for any of the file here, right. So in your journal you can see that same code is there, same code is implemented, okay. So the links are directly we have given the name of Google, Microsoft and BBC. So in your lab you had given the links saying as ordered list.html and unordered list.html, okay. So actually this is the program, but you have to practice the program which I have told you, okay. So please go through this program, because the program title is ordered list and unordered list. You have to show the execution of ordered list and unordered list, okay, yeah. And then you have to also show the usage of frames, okay. So where you can see that in this lab book, yeah, this is a code where you can see that when you click here, the data is displayed in the another frame, okay. So you can go for either, no issues, okay. So this is all about your program number 1, okay. So hope you followed it. So just go through that, okay. So I think that there's no need to revise more code, okay. So we have 3 to 4 files, right. we have frame.html, we have link pages, okay, or target frames. Both the files are same. When you go for this code, use link pages. When you are going for the program which I have told in the lab, you can take target frames, right? Then, so this is about the main page, okay, and this is where the menu is going to display, that is ordered, unordered list, okay. Yeah, so in this way you can go for ordered list and unordered list, okay. So here, if possible, you can also skip this, right? You can skip this link pages, right? Just you can go for ordered list and unordered list, okay. So this is the code for ordered list and this is the code for unordered list, okay. All right, so this is your program number 1. So please do practice, right? Yeah, so this is the target frames. So as I told you, like these two frames are created, okay, and one is menu, right? So this is menu and this is your main frame, right? So this main frame, whatever outer frame is there, for that we are writing this code, okay. So this is the 200 pixels and remaining pixels are taken over here, and you can see that here in this area what is displayed, menu file is displayed, okay, and in the another area you can see that another file is displayed, that is main, okay. So this is all about your program number 1. Hope you got it and do practice for it.